Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to reset your Xero demo company. Demo accounts are made for learning, testing, and experimenting, but eventually they get messy. Maybe you entered fake invoices, imported the wrong data, tested payroll settings, or simply clicked too many things. That's normal. A demo company exists so you can learn without damaging a real business file. A demo company in Xero is a practice organization preloaded for training. People use it to learn bookkeeping workflows, practice invoicing, test bank reconciliation, explore reports, train staff, trial features safely. It's a sandbox, not your real business. Why reset a demo company? Over time, demo data can become cluttered with random transactions, incorrect invoices, duplicate contacts, test payroll entries, broken examples, too much noise to learn clearly. Resetting gives you a fresh starting point. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Once inside, go to the top left corner and click your company/account name. This opens the organization dropdown. Why this menu matters. This is where you switch between organizations and access broader account level options. It may contain current organizations, add organization, My Xero, subscription/account tools. From the dropdown, click My Xero. What My Xero usually is. This area is more about account and organization management rather than day-to-day bookkeeping. Think of it as the admin side of your Xero environment. Look for the Reset option. Once inside, you mentioned an option labeled Reset. Click it to reset your demo company. What reset usually means. For a demo company, reset commonly means restoring it to a clean starter state. That may remove or refresh practice transactions, added contacts, custom test entries, experimental settings/data. You're wiping the practice board clean. What happens after reset? Your demo company may return to its original sample data or a refreshed default setup depending on the current Xero version. That gives you a clean environment to train again. When reset is smart. Use reset when you want to practice from scratch. Reports became confusing. Data test is everywhere. You're teaching someone new. You imported bad sample data. This guidance applies to a demo company, not a live real business organization. Resetting or deleting data in a real accounting file is a very different and more serious matter. Always confirm you are in the demo environment. To summarize, resetting your Xero demo company begins by logging into your account, clicking your company name in the top left corner, and opening the organization drop-down menu. From there, selecting My Xero takes you to the broader account management area, where a reset option may be available for the demo environment. Clicking Reset restores the demo company to a cleaner default state so you can start practicing again without cluttered or incorrect sample data. This is especially useful for learning, staff training, and testing workflows. However, it should only be used on a demo company, not a live production business file where real accounting records matter. And that's how to reset your Xero demo company. A messy practice environment teaches less. Reset when the sandbox becomes chaos. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.